See the problem number 2. A square prism with 40 mm edge, axis 56 mm long, rests on its base on HP with its side equally inclined to the VP. A concentric circular axis hole of 24 mm diameter is cut through the prism. The prism is cut by a cutting plane perpendicular to the VP and inclined 60 degrees to the HP. Bisecting the axis, draw the front view, sectional top view and sectional side view and true shape of the section. So basically it is a square prism. So if you see the top view, this is basically you see a square and front view see a rectangle with 3 edges you see. So for this and here it is given equally inclined to the VP, means the prism, the both side equally inclined, means two side will be equally inclined, the VP means 45 degree with the VP. So in top you will see the square, means two side will be 45 degree. So what we do, first we do the top view, first we draw the top view. So basically this is the equally inclined 45 degree, and here already you have drawn the XY line. So this is XY line. Now first we draw the, now here draw the projection up to a height. The height of the prism is given 56 mm. So from the XY line this height will be 56 mm. Here also so and also this line. So this is the top view and front view. Then here it is a concentric circular axial hole 24 mm diameter is cut through the prism. So in the prism there will be a through hole. So from the front view you see a rectangle and the top view you will see a circle. So first we draw the top view of the circle. Okay. So the diameter of the circle 24 mm and front view, because this is a hole you do not see the hole. So in the front view when you draw it will be dotted line. So what we will do, so first we draw the projection of the XY line, then this will be dotted line. Similarly here also dotted line. Okay. So this is the top view and front view. Now it is cut by a cutting plane perpendicular to the VP and inclined at 60 degree to the HP, bisect the axis. So this height will be, basically the height will be 56 mm from the XY. So the bisect the axis means this is height will be the 28. So at this point we draw a chain thin line with 60 degree line. And thick at two edges. So means your cutting front view, sectional front view will be this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Also this line, also this line, also this line. Okay. Yeah. And this distance is also given as 40. The edge will be 40 mm. Okay, later we give the dimension. And so what we'll do, this portion will be cut it out. So what will happen, here we draw the projection. Here also draw the projection line. So your projection line will be, so then this is the actual the, so basically the projection will be this one. So this is the top sectional view. Now I mean because your pencil will be, so what will be the actual figure I will show in pen. This is better. You will better understand. and here this part, this part, also this part, and this circle. This is on the same line. So this is the sectional, top sectional view and front sectional view. Okay. And I give the name. This is A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Similarly here, this is A dash, B dash. This point will be C dash, F dash. Then this point will be D dash, E dash. Now same way we draw the two sectional view. So what we'll do for this, we draw a perpendicular line of each point. Okay. So how can you draw the perpendicular line? Because this is 60-degree angle, so this must be 30. If you draw 30-degree line with the horizontal, so you can get the perpendicular line. So now what we will do, we draw a line parallel to this 60-degree line. Clear? So same way previous problem, you project A, B, C, D, E here. So how can you do? Basically, suppose you measure the vertical distance of each point from the center line. So this is the center line. So each center line, how can you get? This is the vertical distance from the center line from this point to this one by using the measure the compass and here mark it. So this is point will be A. Similarly point B. So here the point B. Same way here point C, measure from the center. So this is the point C. Then similarly point B, D. This is the point D. Then E. By measure the each point by the compass from the center line. And this point will be the F. Now join by straight line. So this is the prism. Now we draw the side view. So for side view, what we'll do? We draw a 45-degree line here. Now each point we draw now here you see A, E, B, D and line will be same point, but this is not the actual figure. If you draw according to the dimension, the A, B, E, D may be different line, so it not be in same line. Okay, so do not, so you understand the procedure. So each point you draw the projection line and then draw vertical line. Okay. Then here also each point draw the projection line. Okay. Now first we get A double dash. So this is the A line. What will be A double dash? So this point will be the A double dash. Then B. Where is the B? This is the B double dash. Then C. So this is the C double dash. Then this point will be the D double dash. This point will be the E double dash. And this will be the F double dash. Now if we join it, you get this type of structure. Okay, now we do the circle. For circle is similar to previous one. So what we'll do, here we draw 45-degree angle, 8 equal parts. So we give the name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now each point again, each point draw the projection line up to this. So 2 and 8, 4 and 6, and 5 also be there, and 3 and 7 also be there. So here this point will be 1 dash, and this point will be 2 dash and 8 dash, C dash F dash also 3 dash and 7 dash, 3 dash and 7 dash, and this point will be the 4 dash and 6 dash, and this will be the 5 dash. Now same way here each point we draw the projection line. Okay, now same way measure the center axis to the 1 2 3. So 1 will be here, this is the 1, then this will be the 2. In this way you can find out each point 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. Now if we join this, it will be an ellipse also. Okay, similarly here also how can you do? Same way here AE and 7, so each point we draw the projection line. And if you draw the projection here also, each point draw the projection. Now this will be the, so first 1, so this will be the 1 dash, then 2 dash, then 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, and this will be the 8 dash. So it will be like this. If we join also you get a ellipse type things. So means your actual figure will be okay. Now you draw the hatching line. How to draw the hatching line? Same way 45 degree, and here there will be no hatching in the circle portion because it is the material does not remove here. Here also 45 degree, and here you see this is the axis, so this is 60 degree with the xy line. So how can you do this? So you have to draw the 45 degree with the axis. So there you have to require 2 set square for this, for a perfect picture. So what will do? For first you set, suppose I will example, suppose this is your set square, first fixed up with the set square, then another set square fixed up here. So another, suppose another set square fixed up here, then you first according to E this will move it, then hold it, then 45 degree set square fixed up here, then draw 45 degree. Clear? So this is the figure for this.